Well, here I am at the side of the road. I'm waiting on my first shuttle. I called someone last night, or messaged them. Thank goodness for that Garmin, that GPS. I can message people, but I have a lady coming to take me to Jefferson so I can mainly charge up my battery bank because, you know, I'm a day behind what I had planned and I'm almost out of my charge. Lesson learned, I need an extra battery bank, which I'll get when I go to Frisco. So, you know, I probably could have got going, but I like to know that I have a way to charge my phone and charge my Garmin. Some people go without that stuff, but that's something I'm not willing to do. So, yeah, but you know, while I'm there, I might find a little tasty treat while I'm charging my stuff. But all right, so I'm going to wait here and just watch the cars go by. But I'll check in with you when I get on the trail later on. Hey everyone. All right, I'm back from my little trek into Jefferson. I didn't get as good a charge as I wanted on my devices, but I don't know if my little plug's not working right, but it was slow. Hopefully I got enough though to last me for 2 days, but just have to see. Have faith that I did. But anyway, so I will be taking some pictures and videoing, not as much, just so I can conserve until I can get another battery so I can have extra. But all right, we're going to get our day started. Here's what it looks like so far. On a real great note, I got to eat a breakfast burrito, which was delish, and have a Dr. Pepper. The people were really nice, and I got just a few little resupplies to eat. So yeah. All right, I'm going to start a little bit of a climb, and I'll check in with you later. Hi, well, we're cruising right along. It's beautiful. I haven't done a lot of video, and there's lots of people. This area's got lots of campers, lots of day hikers, lots of bikers. So, all right, here's where we're going. All the way down that trail and through those aspens down there. It's beautiful. So we're gonna walk. We're only gonna do a little under 11, about 11 miles today, because I want to stop just before Georgia Pass. I don't want to go over that if there's any storms. Plus, I'd like to go over it in the morning time, spend some time there looking around. So, I've never been there. People say it's beautiful. So, I'll save that for in the morning. But, all right, let's keep going. Just came out of a hail and a little rainstorm, and we're inside this beautiful little area. It's just so green and lush. All these little flowers, and it smells good. It's beautiful. Covering the ground. It makes me think of when I was a kid and my dad would pack our family in. We'd ride our horses and it would be hailing like this, so we would have to get under the trees and just wait for this to pass. Well, we're just making our way upstream here. The temperature was 68 and has dropped to 43.